There's a free website out there that will pay you $100 in a daily basis no matter where you are coming from because this is a worldwide available. Furthermore, not only will I show you how you can do this and get paid after watching this video, but I will show you other people who are doing this and all of them are making a lot of money online. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. The main topic of today's video are ads, more specifically Google Ads. As some of you may already know, businesses spend a lot of money on Google Ads nowadays because they are so incredibly powerful. Imagine if you're some business owner who has a website and the website isn't getting you desired traffic. What many people do, because it's so effective, is pay someone to do Google Ads for them so they can get their desired traffic. Thanks to the fact that this is an investment that will allow those business owners to make a lot of money, they are willing to invest thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. That, guys, is a lot of money. This goes to show you how much potential this has to get you paid. But before I show you what you can do in order to make money with Google Ads, let me actually show you proof that this is actually working. And there's no better place for me to show you where people are getting paid than Fiverr.com. Check this out. All of these people you see are charging literally no less than $100. In fact, many are charging for hundreds and some are asking for thousands of dollars just to do Google Ads. This one offer I open up is a good example of just how much money there is to be made here. The cheapest plan is $150 as you can see, and the number of reviews this person has received is just over 400. So if we assume that all of these people who paid her went for the cheapest package, and we'll also assume that the actual number of purchases is the same as the number of reviews, then we'd be talking about less than $60,000 made. And not only is this a conservative estimate, but there are actually people who made more money than this girl. For example, this person here. The number of reviews at this time sits at 1,000, while the cheapest package is $295. So you don't need to be a math expert to know what they're talking about, and that is no less than $295,000 made here, which is just insane. This shows you how much potential this is to get you paid big time. And keep in mind, by the way, my way of estimating the amount of money is far too conservative and most likely incorrect, mainly due to the fact that not everyone who makes a purchase will leave a review, and also due to the fact that not everyone will buy the cheapest plan. So some people might go for a more expensive one. Yet, despite all of that, the amount of money made is huge. To summarize, guys, the two main reasons I'd say you want to do Google Ads is this. First off, you will have a huge customer pool because a lot of people need someone to do Google Ads for them so they can grow. Meaning that you'll never run out of customers even if you face high competition. The second reason you want to do this is that your potential customers will have big budgets. So they won't think twice about investing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, if that can make them more money in the end. And most of the time, it can. With all of this said and done though, the main question you all have will be, how can I do Google Ads if I'm not an expert? And this is what I will now show you. Well, there are a lot of courses you can take online to learn Google Ads for somewhat cheap, mainly on Udemy and other platforms. The best platform I recommend to learn Google Ads without having to invest a dime is actually a Google platform. Hence the name of this video. The website in question is called Skillshop, and I'm now over at skillshop.withgoogle.com. This website will actually teach you how to do Google Ads for free. which is just insane when you think about it. And that isn't even the best part. The best part is that you will get a certificate upon completion. So you will have a Google certificate to prove that you know how to do Google Ads, and that will be invaluable when it comes to getting customers. To access the Google Ads courses on here, what you need to do is click on Get Started right here. And this will now show you training programs for all kinds of things. Most importantly for you guys though, you have training programs for Google Ads right here. And by clicking on that, you will be able to watch a bunch of courses for free and get certified at the end of each one. Now remember how I said in the beginning guys, that this will take some work. Well, this is what I was talking about. Google Ads can indeed make you a lot of money, but that comes at a cost. That you have to invest a lot of your time in order to make or learn how to do them. So you won't be able to do this just like that and get paid thousands of dollars. It doesn't work like that. The way I want you to look at this though is as follows. You will be investing hours of your time, sure, but you will be investing hours of your time for potentially years worth of money. Because people will need Google Ads 5 or even 10 years from now. In fact, you can expect even more customers in the not so distant future. So if you're trading some of your time to learn something that will be valuable for years to come, I think you can see why that's worthwhile. And of course, you have the fact that you don't need to pay for these other courses either, meaning that this is free to top it all off. So what you want to do guys now is basically watch these courses and learn all the necessary skills that will help you later on. When you do get certified though, what I recommend is not starting on Fiverr right off the bat, mainly because you'll be a beginner and Fiverr is incredibly competitive. Instead, I recommend a platform more suitable for beginners in my opinion, like peopleperhour.com and guru.com. You want to create account and gigs on both of these platforms offering your services. And while it will be tough in the beginning because you will have no reviews, when you get even one or two, it will make things that much easier because people will have a bit more trust in your skills that I can guarantee you. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.